Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since mid-September 2024, our system has classified Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 9.27% since we initially suggested purchasing Intel 10 days ago. This equates to an average return of about 0.93% per day since its designation as hold or accumulate. The stock has broken through a significant and declining short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may serve as an early signal of a trend reversal. During any reaction, support is expected at the ceiling of the currently broken trend, specifically at $23.43. This level could provide a second opportunity for a significant price movement. According to fan theory, the next potential peak level is $31.89, which may act as a resistance point that could be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 39.71% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 61.53% to negative 39.79%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative 40.84% change over the next year, with a potential return falling between negative 56.7% and negative 16.4%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $10.31 to $19.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel presents the headline: Intel stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Monday's trading session. The Intel stock price decreased by 1.88% on the last day, which was Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, falling from $23.91 to $23.46. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.72%, moving from a low of $23.09 to a high of $23.95. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen on 7 occasions, showing an increase of 12.2% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with stock performance. On this day, the trading volume declined by 14 million shares, with a total of 65 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.54 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the stock price stands at 54.25% or $27.82 below the 52-week high and 66.14% or $45.83 below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation, or INTC, continues to navigate a challenging landscape as it holds the position of the worst-performing stock in the Dow Jones through the third quarter of 2024. Investors are closely monitoring the potential for dividends from this so-called dog of the Dow, although the outlook remains uncertain. Recent reports of Qualcomm's interest in acquiring Intel have sparked speculation in the market. However, analysts warn that such a merger could encounter significant antitrust challenges, and the business models of the two companies may not be compatible. This news is likely to create volatility in the stock's performance as investors weigh its implications. Furthermore, Intel's reluctance to divest key business units, despite receiving inquiries, signals a commitment to its current strategy. This, however, raises concerns about its ability to adapt to market demands. On a more positive note, Intel has introduced its new Granite Rapids server CPUs, featuring advanced technology that could help the company regain a competitive edge, particularly against rivals such as AMD. In the short term, these mixed signals may lead to price fluctuations as investors respond to news regarding acquisitions, discussions about business units, and product launches. Looking ahead, Intel's capacity to innovate and execute its strategic plans will be essential in determining whether the stock can recover and achieve sustainable growth. As the semiconductor industry continues to evolve, Intel's forthcoming actions will significantly influence its stock price and investor sentiment in the months to come. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research rated Intel with a reduced grade along with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Intel an underperform grade paired with a hold action. Also on that Tuesday, Exane BNP Paribas rated Intel as underperform with a hold action. Additionally, on the same day, KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should the stock experience a decline, there is expected support at $23.15 and at $20.82. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have also appeared, which could influence the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 30th, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 6.44%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lessens the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots reflect a sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average presents a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 128 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 136 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're interested in discovering more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.48. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at $21.84. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.48 and $21.47. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 86 cents between high and low, or 3.72%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.54. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, Intel's first support level is at $21.84. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Scott Gowell, who bought and sold 9,888 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.658. In total, insiders purchased 450,195 shares and sold 428,883 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.19, reflecting a decrease of 5.4%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 80, further elevating the risk factor. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 37 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel exhibits several positive indicators, yet we believe these are insufficient for a buy recommendation. Currently, it is advisable to consider the stock as a hold candidate, suggesting a strategy of holding or accumulating while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of October, we anticipate Intel will open with an increase of 4 cents and begin trading at $23.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.